Focus on well-being. Hello guys, this is Yundel again. Good day everyone. Today I want to talk about focusing on our own well-being. Are you aware about it? Have you ever think about it? Focusing yourself, your own well-being. Guys, how to focus our own well-being when we are not feeling good? I am not feeling good this week. I am in sick leave. It's very difficult to concentrate. Still, I must do the work. I must do the homework. So guys, focusing in well-being. Number one, you have to laugh a lot. Guys, can you do that? Laugh a lot without a reason. It is not easy. Yes, we must laugh a lot so our hormones in our body, the cells are happy to accept those happy hormones in our body when we laugh a lot. Just focus yourself laughing, because when you laugh, you are in the high vibration of well-being. We must accept it, emotions which are good or bad. Whether good and bad, we must accept our own emotions. It is not easy, but still, we must accept it. We must embrace it. Accept who you are at the moment. Guys, it says here, to have a well-being life, we must live at the present. Yes, I am embracing myself, but the moment I am frustrated because I cannot do so much things because I have headache, I'm not feeling well, but still, I must live at the present. Okay, I am not feeling today. Okay, that I am not doing anything today. Of course, I don't like it, because I need to do the household chores, I need to go to the grocery, I need to do this and that. But when we are having pain, and at the same time, you are going to focus your own whole being, you are going to accept yourself. This is my day today. So, it will be like this. I must accept it. I must embrace it. The book says here, guys, when we are focusing in this very moment, I refer you to the book, The Power of Now. There is power of now, because yesterday has gone away. We don't know about tomorrow. So, this is very moment we must focus our now. So, check it out, guys. The book, The Power of Now. It helps me, and I hope it helps you too. Determine and live on your own personal values. Each and every one of us have personal values in life. Determine it, know yourself, and live with your own terms. Know yourself, identify yourself, who you really are. Because when you can identify yourself, you know your weak side, you know your strong side, you know how to handle yourself at the moment. This moment when I am having pain, this moment that I am not functioning well, you can accept it because you know yourself, you love yourself, you respect yourself. Keep your thoughts in order. So we must have this positive mental attitude. Guys, again, I'm sorry. I'm just not speaking here blah, blah, blah about positive mental attitudes. It's not easy. It's a work and an effort. Yes, I will accept it. I'm still struggling it because of the circumstances happening in my life lately. It's very difficult to focus all the time being positive. No, I can also be tired. I am only a human being. That I am trying my best to embrace it, that tomorrow will be a better day despite of this pain I am suffering right now. So guys, keep up that good thoughts. There's always a solution to our problems. Whatsoever circumstances you have at the moment, think the brighter side of it. And still, I must encourage you, one of the tools, practice the power of meditation, the power of prayer. God, the universe is all around us all the time. Be introspective. Yes, being introspective, examine and considering your own ideas, your own thoughts. When you are sitting with your own thoughts, guys, you probably thinking, you want to share it with others. You want to talk with others. Yes, it is all right to talk with anybody, but still, you have to keep it with yourself first, especially when you are having difficulty with yourself, when you are having an illness, and focusing to have that positive mental attitude that you can be healed. It says here, you must keep your thoughts alone for a moment, work with ourselves. Meditation, guys, is very powerful. So you have to face it, embrace it, and according, guys, to the law of attraction, even though how eradicating your disease, you will not fight it. Don't fight it. Just be there and think that all will be well. If you are going to fight with the disease, focus on fighting with the positive mental attitude. Be positive that all will be well. Attract the good things. Attract the good health. Attract the well-being. Attracting it, but at the same time, we must put our feelings. It's always about your feelings, guys. Feelings and thoughts goes hand in hand that I can be well. In my situation, it's so difficult to be well because of the cold weather in Norway. But still, I am trying my best. That there is summer coming. It will be a warmer days during the summer. I am feeling good during the summer. So, it's just like that, guys, that we must keep the work through our mind first. Focus, focus, focus. It's all about focusing, guys, with your own thoughts to have that well-being. We must attract the good things. We must attract the good health. We must attract the good activities for our body to focus to have a well-being health with ourselves. Guys, believe me, it is not easy. I am struggling. It's really very difficult, especially me when I am striving to get sleep, to focus with my studies. It's very difficult, but I am here sharing with you every day in hope that I can help others. It is not easy. Of course, it is not easy. It is a work. It is an effort. And with that positive mental attitude, it cannot just come right away when all the negativity is around you. All the people saying you, oh, you are sick, and all those negative words. It doesn't help you at all. Again, this is my life journey. I have a fibromyalgia. I am sharing it with you. I keep on going every day and keep on hoping that my later days will be much better than my former days. I keep on hoping that I will live up to 90 years old, even more than 90 years old, despite of the hindrances, despite of the challenges I am facing. I am sharing it with you that I can have a well-being life. You can have a whole well-being life by working with yourself. Of course, I must accept, I have my therapist to talk to. I have my doctor to talk to create this well-being mind attitude. It is not always easy. It never be easy in life, guys. There's always hindrances, circumstances, challenges we are facing every day. But it's all up to you as a human being. How can you work with it? You will fight it all, because fighting is two ways. There's good fight and there is a bad fight. Fighting your disease negatively, you keep complaining. But if you are going to fight your disease, your illness in a good way, in a positive way, then create that laughing moments with yourself. Create that happy thoughts in your mind. Do the work. It's all about effort and work. Maybe you said, looking at me at the moment, oh, she is not sick. Yes, even my boss told me, you don't look sick, Uni. But my doctor sick leave me, give me the sick leave because she know my situation. Yes, I look fine, I look nice. But you don't know what I am striving every day, every moment during this winter season in Norway. It's so cold. Guys, if you like my message, kindly click the like button and the bell button so you are notified every time I am uploading a new video. It's all about life journey. We are on this road together, and along this road, we always meet some bumpy and crooked road. But this long road of life, I always comfort myself that at the end of the tunnel, there always a light. Yes, there's always a light in everything we are facing at the moment. It's not easy. Maybe you lose your job, you don't know what to do, and you decide a wrong decision in order to survive. Guys, before deciding into something, I always encourage you to practice the power of meditation, the power of prayer. God is the most powerful among us. He is always there with us. He is our holding point to keep on going in this life journey. Focusing on well-being, it's a work with ourselves. That is my share with you guys. That keep on moving, knowing yourself, find something that can make you happy, laugh a lot, have a joy moment with yourself, and unwind the noise and negativity around you by having that moment with yourself, the meditation moment. Again, guys, thank you so much for following me. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I am so very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.